Good morning students. Now it is exercise 12.1 question number 5. So what it is given is define an operation star on Q as follows. A star B is equal to. So given that A star B is equal to A plus B divided by 2. A plus B divided by 2 where A and B belongs to Q. Where A comma B belongs to Q. So A and B are the elements belongs to Q. Examine the closure, commutative and associative properties satisfied by star on Q. Second subdivision. Define an operation star on Q as follows. A star B is equal to A plus B by 2 where A and B belongs to Q. Examine the existence of identity and the existence of inverse for the following operation star on Q. Now let me do all the properties in the same problem. So I am not going to take two subdivisions. Okay. So now what it is given, A star B is equal to A plus B by 2 where A comma B belongs to Q. Or I can take for every A comma B belongs to Q. At first I am going to check whether it obeys the closure property or not. Closure property. So for that I want to check whether the given operation is binary on the given number system. So we know that Q is 4 binary operations. On Q is binary, addition is binary, subtraction is binary, multiplication is binary, division is not binary. Okay, so here it is given, let A comma B belongs to Q. A star B is equal to A plus B divided by 2 which is also belongs to Q. Now since addition is binary on Q, division is not binary on Q, but here the denominator is not equal to 0, therefore Q is binary on the division. Now since denominator is not equal to 0, so which is denominator is equal to 2, division is binary on Q. Division not binary இருக்கு. Not binary எதனால வருதுன்னா 0 வந்துச்சுன்னா it goes to infinity. So அந்த 0 வர்றதுனால not binary போட்டிருக்கோம். இங்க 0 வரல, 2 தான் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So which is not equal to 0. 2 is not equal to 0. So அதனால so it is binary on Q. So 0 வராம இருக்கிறதுனால binary on Q. So therefore addition and division are binary on Q. ரெண்டுமே பைனரியா இருக்கிறதுனால star is closed on Q. So closure axiom satisfied. The closure property, axiom, property, everything is same. The next one I want to prove that the commutative property. So commutative property is very well you know. Then the second one is commutative. So let A comma B belongs to Q. A star B is equal to A plus B divided by 2. If I write this as B plus A by 2, so which is equal to B star A nu vandirudhu. So A star B is equal to B star A. So therefore star is commutative. So star is commutative on the given binary system. And then the third one, I want to check whether it is associative. Whether it obeys the associative property. So now let me take a let A comma B comma C belongs to Q. So by associative property, A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. Now take left hand side. So B star C is equal to, by the given operation, A star B is equal to, by the definition of star. Star வந்து என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, A plus B by 2. அதே மாதிரி B star C எடுத்தோம்னா it is B plus C divide by 2. If I take A star B star C is equal to, அப்போ இந்த ரெண்டு எலிமெண்ட்டையும் நம்ம வந்து ஆட் பண்ணணும். That is A star B plus C divide by 2 னு எடுத்துக்கோங்க. இப்படி எடுத்தோம்னா so ரெண்டு எலிமெண்ட்டை முதல்ல ஆட் பண்ணணும். So A plus B plus C divide by 2 whole divide by 2. இப்போ நியூமரேட்டருக்கு LCM எடுத்தோம்னா so 2A plus B plus C வரும், divide by இந்த 2 கீழே வரும்போது 2 into 2 4. So A star B star C is equal to this one. So take this as 1. Then take right hand side. இப்போ right hand side என்ன இருக்கு, A star B first எடுத்துக்கோங்க. So இதுக்கு A plus B by 2 னு எழுதலாம். Then take A star B star C is equal to, A star B க்கு A plus B divide by 2 plus C divide by 2. Once again we will get the same answer. Is it? Check பண்ணுங்க. இப்போ இதுக்கு LCM எடுத்தோம்னா A plus B plus 2C divide by 4. So this is 2. Now compare 1 and 2. Are they equal? No, they are not equal. Okay, so therefore A star B star C is not equal to A star B star C. So therefore star is not associative on the given system. Star is not associative. So கொடுத்திருக்கிற binary system is not associative. Now let us check what it is commutative and identity. So closer, commutative, associative, and second subdivision, if it is closed, then check whether it is commutative, whether it has an identity element or not. So now let us check. Fourth one is identity. So on the subdivision மாதிரி கேட்டாங்கன்னா, once again take a subdivision to, first you write closer property and then you go to identity. Okay, now identity check பண்ணுவோம். There exists an element E which belongs to Q and A already belongs to Q. So by the definition of star, we have a definition A star E is equal to A nu varanum. So this is the identity. So by the definition of star, A plus E divide by 2 is equal to A. Cross multiply panna A plus E equal to 2A. But E is equal to 2A minus A, which is equal to A. So E is equal to A, which belongs to Q. Yes, என்ன element எடுத்தேனோ அதுவே ஆன்சரா கிடைக்குது. அப்போ if I take any other element, if B belongs to Q and E belongs to Q னு எடுத்தா, so B star E is equal to B னு கிடைக்கும். So therefore if I take B plus E, so E is equal to 2B minus B னு கிடைக்கும். So which is also Q. So E is not same here. So identity element differs for every element. So ஒவ்வொரு எலிமெண்ட்டுக்கும் identity differ ஆகிட்டே இருக்கு. So therefore identity differs for every element. Identity differs for every element. Therefore star has no identity element. So இங்க ஒரு identity element கிடையவே கிடையாது. So the star is closed under the binary operation. Star is commutative and the star is not associative. Here star is not identity. So identity elementum inga kedaiyadu. If I go for inverse, இப்போ identity element கிடையாதுன்னா I can conclude that no inverse. ஏன்னா inverse definition படி A star A inverse எடுத்தோம்னா E கிடைக்கணும், identity கிடைக்கணும். Identity differ ஆகிட்டே இருக்கிறதுனால it has no inverse. So star has no inverse element. So no inverse element. So this is the result. So don't confuse with this. So therefore the given binary system star is closed on Q and star is commutative on Q. Star is not associative on Q. No identity, no element because of the given binary operation. Okay, now go to exercise 12.1 question number 9. Now exercise 12.1 question number 9. Let M is equal to a matrix XX XX such that X belongs to R minus 0 and let star be the matrix multiplication. Determine whether M is closed under star. If so, examine the commutative and associative property satisfied by star on M. Second subdivision, let M is equal to a matrix XXXX where X belongs to R minus 0 and let star be the matrix multiplication. Determine whether M is closed under star. If so, examine the existence of identity, existence of inverse properties for the operation star on M. So now we are going to check whether it obeys all the properties or not. So what is the system it is given means, if M is equal to a matrix 2 by 2 matrix X X X X, all the elements are same such that X belongs to R minus 0. This is the condition they are giving. So X belongs to a real number system but X does not 0. So X is not equal to 0 irukkanum. And since it is a matrix, star be the matrix multiplication. Star be the matrix multiplication. So this is the condition they have given. So now I am going to check whether it is the star is closed under M. So closure property, right? Closure. First, let me take let A is a matrix X X X X and B is the matrix Y Y Y Y. And I want to multiply these two matrices belongs to A comma B belongs to M and the elements X and Y belongs to R minus 0. இந்த மேட்ரிக்ஸ் ரெண்டுமே எம்ங்கிற இந்த சிஸ்டம்ல இருக்கு. ஆனால் உள்ள இருக்கிற எலிமெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாமே விச் பிலாங்ஸ் டு ஆர் மைனஸ் ஜீரோங்கிற நம்பர் சிஸ்டம்ல இருக்கு அப்படின்னு எழுதி வச்சுக்கோ. நவ் ஐ வாண்ட் டு செக் ஏபி மேட்ரிக்ஸ் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் எடுக்க சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ ஏபி விச் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு எக்ஸ் எக்ஸ் ஒய் ஒய். You know the matrix multiplication, row into column multiply பண்ணனும். So first row first column multiply பண்ணா xy plus xy 2xy. First row second column xy plus xy once again 2xy. Then second row first column 2xy. Second row second column 2xy. So I can take 2xy 2x, all the elements are same. This also can belongs to M. So இதுவும் mல எடுத்துக்கலாம். So therefore where 2xyங்கிற ஒவ்வொரு எலிமெண்ட்டும் which belongs to R minus 0. So therefore I can conclude that star is closed on M. So mங்கிற அந்த சிஸ்டம்ல ஸ்டார்ங்கிறது வந்து ஸ்டார்ங்கிற ஆபரேஷன் வந்து க்ளோசர் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிக்கு சாட்டிஸ்ஃபை ஆகுதுன்னு அர்த்தம். So it is closed on M. Then the next one I want to check is commutative. Actually, matrix multiplication may or may not be commutative. Now let us check here. Now let A comma B belongs to M. A is equal to XX, B equal to YY. So I can take X comma Y belongs to R minus 0. So இங்கிருந்தே எழுதிக்கிறேன். So if I want to check AB, so AB already I have got the result here. So just I'll write 2xy, 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 which belongs to M. The same way if I check BA. Now I want to check BA. AB inga result irundhuchu எழுதிட்டேன். BA check பண்ணுவோம். So what is B? YY, YY. What is A? XX, XX. So once again row into column multiply panna y into x plus y into x is 2xy. Once again the same result 2xy, 2xy. So therefore BA belongs to M, where 2xy belongs to R minus 0. So therefore star is, that is AB is equal to BA. Therefore star is commutative. Star is commutative on M. So star in the operation commutative. Now let us check whether it is associative or not. Now for every three matrices, for every A comma B comma C belongs to M. So we know that A is equal to XX, XX, and B is equal to YY, YY, and C is equal to ZZ, ZZ. Now where X, Y, Z belongs to R minus 0. So all the conditions what it is given I have written. Now I want to check A star, B star, C. That is A into B into C, because it is given matrix multiplication. So A, B, C is equal to A, B, C. Now I want to check this one. So take BC at first, which is equal to, take it is left hand side. BC equal to, that is YY, YY, ZZ, ZZ, which is equal to, the result is 2YZ, 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 2YZ. Actually the matrix multiplication is associative. Okay, then A into BC. So A is XX, XX, and BC is 2YZ, 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 2YZ. So if I multiply these two, so which is equal to X into 2YZ is 2XYZ plus X into 2YZ is 2XYZ. The same way first row, second column is 2XYZ plus 2XYZ. Second row, first column, once again 2XYZ plus 2XYZ. Second row, second column 2XYZ plus 2XYZ. So which is equal to 4XYZ, 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 4XYZ. So which belongs to the given system M. Okay. So now XYZ, that is 4XYZ belongs to R minus 0. So left hand side over. Now let me go to right hand side. Now take right hand side. So right hand side is AB into C. AB into C. So AB already we have the result, that is 2xy, 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 2xy into what is C? Z. See, இதே மாதிரி தான் இருக்கு. இதை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணாலும் எனக்கு இதே ரிசல்ட் தான் கிடைக்கும். 4xyz, 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 4xyz. So which belongs to M. So therefore I can write it as A B C is equal to AB into C. Therefore star is associating on M. So third property proved. And then the fourth one is identity. So identity. If there exists an element E which belongs to M, where E is equal to M, E belongs to R minus 0 னு எடுத்துக்கும். And A belongs to M, that we know already. So by the definition of identity, we can write A E is equal to E A is equal to A. This is the definition. So I am going to take A E is equal to A. So A is XX, E is E, A is XX. If I multiply these two matrices, I will get 2xe, 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 2xe is equal to xx, xx. When I compare these two matrices, first element is equal to first element. So xx get cancelled. So E is equal to 1 by 2, which belongs to M. So this is also belongs to M. That is 1 by 2 is not equal to 0. So R minus 0 la irukku. Therefore E belongs to M. So therefore E is equal to, so 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So which belongs to M. So star has a identity element. So star la ஒரு identity element இருக்கு. Identity element on M. So M la ஒரு identity element இருக்கு. And then inverse find out பண்ணும். So how to prove inverse? So let A belongs to M and also A inverse belongs to M. ஒரு element எடுத்துக்கும். So we know that A is equal to xx, xx னு தெரியும். And A inverse is equal to, take x inverse, x inverse, x inverse, x inverse. Here therefore x comma x inverse belongs to R minus 0. இப்படி எடுக்கிற மாதிரி எடுத்திருக்கோம். ஒரு ரெண்டு மேட்ரிக்ஸ் அப்படின்னு எடுத்துக்குவோம். By the definition of inverse, A inverse is equal to E. So we find out the E already. So அதை இங்க substitute பண்ணுவோம். So here x, 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 x. A inverse க்கு x inverse, x inverse. So identity matrix is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So if I multiply this, I will get 2x x inverse, 2x x inverse, 2x x inverse, 2x x inverse is equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. ஒவ்வொரு எலிமெண்டா இதை நம்ம கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது 2x x inverse is equal to 1 by 2. So x inverse is equal to 1 by 2 இந்த சைடு வரும்போது denominator போகும். 2 2s are 4x. So which is belongs to R minus 0. So therefore x inverse is equal to, that is A inverse is equal to, A inverse equal to x inverse னு எடுத்திருக்கோம். So x inverse is 1 by 4x, 1 by 4x, 1 by 4x, 1 by 4x. which belongs to M. So 1 by 4x ங்கிறது r minus 0ல இருக்கு. So star has a inverse on. So star has a inverse on M. Hence proved. So all the properties satisfied here. Okay. Thank you all.